Okay, so here's my laboratory number 3. So it says in the step 1 that create a bat file that performs the following task. So generates a main directory named activity-surname. So I have created a bat file named Reggie. So let's try to delete this and let's try to double click this. Okay, so nag-generate ulit siya. So it says in the step 2 that inside this directory, create 3 subfolders with the following conditions. So prelim, let's check. So prelim. So yung attribute ng prelim is hidden. So as you can see, it is hidden in here. So properties, so it is hidden. And the midterm should mark as read only. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so that is read only. So let's proceed with the step 4, replace operation. So as you can see in this midterm, it has a it has a it says in here that edited on 1/4/2025, and it also has the time in this. Okay, so also in this prelim, this is all my tasks in prelim. Okay, that's my laboratory number 1. So let's try to delete this again. Okay, so it backs midterm. So as you can see, wala yung finals dito kasi nakalagay dito sa step 2 that finals, this folder should be set as a system folder. It means that it requires administrative privileges. So wala yung finals dito. So that's the end of my laboratory number 3. Thank you so much.